Babies grow fast, sometimes faster than we can keep up. But does that mean their clothing shouldn't be sustainable? Here at the Elude Cashmere Clinic, we believe in giving even the tiniest knits a second life. Today, we're restoring this beautiful baby cashmere cardigan, making sure it is ready for more memories. Why throw away something so special when it can be repaired? Cashmere isn't just luxurious, it's made to last. And when a piece is this delicate, every stitch counts. By repairing rather than replacing, we make sure this cardigan can be passed down, cherished, and worn again. Because true sustainability starts with what we already own. Would you repair your baby's knitwear instead of replacing it? Leave a heart in the comments.